Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to send a PayPal link for payment in 2025. So let's jump straight into it. First, go to paypal.com and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your dashboard. To send a payment link, go to the top menu and click on Pay and Get Paid. Under the Accept Payment section, click on Request Money. This will take you to a new screen. On the far right hand side, under More Ways to Request Money, you will see an option that says Share Your Personal Profile. Click on it. You will be taken to a screen where you can optionally fill in details like your username, location, and a short bio. And once you are done, or if you choose to skip it, look for the share button, click on it, and you will be taken to a screen where you will see the option to share your link. Click copy link to copy your personal PayPal payment link. Now you can open a new tab, paste the link, and press enter to see what the recipient will see. When someone clicks your payment link, they will be taken to a screen where they can click on send button, enter the amount you want to pay, and then click next to complete the transactions. That's how to send a PayPal payment link. I hope this quick tutorial helped you. If it did, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.